In this video, I'm going to show you how to get gold plants fast in Grow a Garden Roblox. So, in case you haven't done that already, of course, when you come back into the game, you can see there's now a new Easter shop. And you will need a bunch of gold plants. To be precise, you will need 30 kilograms of gold plants to be able to basically unlock this nice little shop over here, which is also called the Easter shop. So, to actually do this, of course, you will need a lot of gold plants to get to those 30 kilos. And here I'm going to show you the best and fastest way to actually do this. Now, here's two little tips I have for you. The first one is to just plant a bunch of these seeds over here that are very basic. Now, as you can see, of course, I'm having mostly like tomatoes over here and then strawberries, stuff like that. But there's a lot of different gold ones. As you can see, I can gather them a lot quicker. So, of course, I have a lot of these different blueberries, tomatoes, and then I have a pear over here as well. There we go, there's a golden one right now. And then you can just basically plant as many of these as you possibly can, and then just mass harvest, okay? So let me just go through this. As you can see, I'm just mass harvesting. I'm holding down my E key, and just like that, there we go. I'm just gathering every single thing. I can't even see if there's anything golden in there because there's so many things. And then you just keep doing this until you have your entire inventory full. So just keep on going until your inventory is full. There we go. Max backpack space has been reached. So what you then have to do is first click on this backpack up here, search for gold, and then if you can see anything gold in here, basically just like it with right click so you can sell it in the shop. So right click like this, and then down here I have a gold tomato, and then there's a gold strawberry. There we go. And then you just want to teleport yourself to this shop, sell everything you have except for the golden things, of course. There we go. I've just sold this, and then as you can see, I now only have my gold things in here that I harvested. Now, of course, this is just about a kilo right now. However, if you keep on doing this, you're gonna get a lot. And then after you do that, just sell it over here in the shop. But there's also one more thing you can do to actually boost your chances and make this process even quicker, and that is by heading over here to the gear shop. So at the right over here, there's the gear shop, and in here there's a nice little trick you can do. So let me just go over here. There we go. Talk to him. In here you have the basic sprinkler, the advanced sprinkler over here, and then you can also see the godly and the master sprinkler. Now let me show you what this does. It says increases growth speed and fruit size lasts 5 minutes, and this one says increases growth speed and mutation chances. So let me actually get one of these. There we go. And I'm gonna go back to my garden right now, and then I'm gonna place this somewhere over here in the middle. So let me just do this for, there we go, advanced sprinkler. You have to basically point where you want it to be. I'm just gonna do it over here where there's the kind of biggest area of effect I have, so the most plants. Let me just, there we go, like this. And now for the next 5 minutes, the mutation chances of all these crops around here will be basically much higher, because there's a very little chance you actually get a mutated crop, and a gold crop is a mutated crop. So if you just place these down over here, you'll be able to see, you'll be getting a lot more of those golden crops in that time period, and then you can just go ahead, sell them, and unlock the nice Easter shop where you can get a bunch of different things you weren't able to get before. Now, there we go. As you can see, some gold are already starting to spawn. And then just once they're done, simply just harvest these and go ahead, sell them to the Easter shop, to the Easter lady over there, and then you are ready to go. And this is pretty much how you get gold plants fast in Grow a Garden. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.